the last chapter of our topic algebra, that is known as the arithmetic progressions. So first of all, we must be aware about what is the arithmetic progression. As everything starts or initiates with some other things, so same way this chapter arithmetic progression also starts with pattern, progression, sequence and series. It's like this. So if we talk about what is the arithmetic progression, first of all we must be aware what is a pattern. You all are aware when we put the things in our house, when we pack our bag, when we do anything, we always make the pattern. Suppose you are moving in a bus, then there is also pattern. Few seats are reserved for the women and few for the men. Similarly, few for the handicapped, and as and when you go to the assembly, there is a pattern. First the smallest children, then similarly we increase it. So pattern is something, the arranging of the things. When we recognize, when we formulate any pattern, this formulation program is known as the progression. So what is the meaning of the progression? When numbers or elements could be arranged and can be formulated, then such kind of arrangement is known as the progression. But here we will discuss what are the arithmetic progressions. So if one boy or girl is standing in a queue of the assembly of any school, we find that either this pattern is from increasing to decreasing as per height, or it is from decreasing to increasing. It may be from first to last or last to first. When some pattern can be recognized or when some pattern can be formulated. Suppose we are writing the natural numbers, even natural numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 dot dot dot. It means that if we are writing 2, 4, 6, 8, this is a pattern where the numbers are increased by 2. And if I write pattern like this, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 5, 18 dot dot dot. This is also a pattern. Similarly, pattern can be like this: 1 first numbers square, 4 second numbers square, 9 third natural numbers square, 16 next numbers square. So what is the pattern? Pattern is something which can be formulated, can be recognized and can be generate some kind of relation with its previous terms. So this kind of relation, when we can generate in numbers or terms, that is known as the progression. In shortcut, arithmetic progressions are known as APs. So whenever I will speak APs, you mean arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progressions are of two types: increasing arithmetic progressions and decreasing. A very good example if I take, if I throw a ball from ground to upward, the speed of the ball automatically continuously decreases. So this is the decreasing AP, because I throw the ball with maximum of the speed, and as and when with the respect time it is going up, its speed is decreasing, and at the maximum height it comes to the rest, speed 0. But when we drop the ball, so what happens? We drop with the speed 0, and as and when it comes toward the ground, it's automatically what happens? Its speed remain to increase. So both the types of the progressions will be discussed with what is the nth term of AP, what is the sum of n terms, what are the terms to be chosen for if nothing is given. Some sort of things we will discuss in this chapter, arithmetic progression. But here you must understand what is the pattern, what is the progression and what is the arithmetic progression.